In this presentation, we are going to discuss about the development of an electronic drug status card in pharmaceutical care. Before starting our presentation today, let me introduce myself. I am Fafah Maulana Wafi and I am from Kendal. I am 22 years old. I am a student. I am studying in Department of Pharmacy, Universitas Muhammadiyah, Magelang. To shorten the time, let's head over to the presentation session. First, I will explain to you the background to the problem. Effort to improve health cannot be separated from digital technology. This includes helping to obtain the latest patient health information in a fast time and helping to improve the efficiency of health service. Several health service agencies have begun to implement electronic health information system so that the management of patient health data can be carried out more effectively. Several hospitals have also transferred patient health data media from paper to digital format. They also started making electronic health record containing patient demographic data, medical and drug history, diagnostic information, vital sign, medical history, laboratory data, and radiology reports. However, this EHR technology does not always develop rapidly in various hospital, clinic, or other health service center, where the medical record system health service are still using paper media and storage is still done manually by storing or receiving files on shelf or storage cabinet. The existence of health information system in a hospital can help healthcare provider to obtain patient health information in real time. Important thing is how access to data can be provided comprehensively. On this basis, it is necessary to integrate patient health data. By managing integrated patient health information, patient and medical staff will be able to quickly access patient records wherever and whenever needed. To integrate patient health information, it can be done in various ways, such as integrating a website-based application system or utilizing a mobile phone-based application system. To provide access to information, the system can provide a portal so that only certain users can access patient health information. The development of drug status card is similar to the research conducted by Paramartha et al. 2018, designing a medical information system application that use barcodes on desktop and Android device. Research Supriyanto and Macia 2018 regarding the design of a web-based application for online patient registration and examination of medical clinics. In this study, Kurniadi et al. 2020 discussed the medical record information system at the clinic using the extreme programming method. Then research that focused on web-based regional health insurance management information system measured and coded 2015, as well as previous results that discuss information system for processing patient data in web-based clinics in Riani 2018. Based on the previous studies that have been discussed, this research will design a health information system that is included in the scope of pharmaceutical work. Development of a card-based drug status card using a barcode that displays information on the patient therapy status through the barcode can feature displayed on the application and website to help obtain faster and more precise information. And second section result and second section method. The study present a flowchart compiled using Draw.io diagram online software. The user interface designed for drug status card was developed using Microsoft PowerPoint. And three, entered in section result. I will explain about system flowchart in this system. You can see here the first step on the login page. The user is required to log in first by input the username and password. After input the username and the password, the user clicks the login button and enters the main menu. Next, if the login and process is successful, then continue the next process. But it fails to repeat the username and password input again. When successfully logged in, the option for login as operator will appear. Log in as admin and log in as user, where pharmacists act as operators who determine which data is important to manage and can assist in decision-making in health service. Then the admin here is the pharmacist assistant whose job is to view the user personal data and the user's medical history data. But the admin does not have access right to the management of user data. While the user in this case is the patient. For patient, they can find out the information needed for their medication. If you are logged in as an operator, it will appear such as a menu to view user data, a menu to view user medical history data, a barcode scan feature, and a menu to manage user data. If it's finished, the operator log out and the process is completed. If you are logged in as admin, a menu will appear such as view user data, menu, view user medical history data, and barcode scan feature. If it's finished, the admin logs out and the process is completed. If you are logged in as user, it will appear such as the user data input menu, the user's medical history input, and the barcode scan feature. Then it will be processed and view user data, view user medical history data, and barcode scan feature. If it's finished, the user log out and the process is completed. Then this is the design view of drug status card. Next is the view of login page design. And also the view of sign up menu page design. And then this is a main menu page as operator. This is a main menu page as admin. And main menu page as user. The next slide is the view of user personal data menu page. This menu includes the user personal information, which consists of name, place, date of birth, address, gender, blood type, phone number, email, and the register date. Then there is a menu of user medical history, namely allergies history, previous illness history, chronic disease history, drug information currently being used by the patient, and COVID-19 vaccination status. This view is the managed data user display. In this view, there are menu add a new user, export to Excel, and search user. This menu contains of internal username, email, role as operator, admin, or user, information about user, location, register number that contained in the card. Beside, there is a register data menu, status, and there is an option that contain print card, edit data, and delete data. This medical information system is designed for operator, admin, and user, where pharmacists act as operator who has access to manage health information system and user database, and also can view user personal data and user medical history data. Here, the pharmacist assistant acts as admin, who has almost the same access right as the operator. The difference is that they cannot manage user data, while the users in this case are the patient. For users, they can find out the information needed for their medication. The result of the development of the drug status card or DSC are expected to be able to store data and manage it in the medical information system database. In addition, it can provide information on health such as allergy history, previous illnesses history, chronic disease history, drugs information currently being used by the patient, and COVID-19 vaccination status. So the point is, development of the drug status card or DSC is included in card-based pharmaceutical work in which there is a barcode that displays information on the patient medical status via barcode scan, and it is displayed on application and website. There are benefits from the perspective of the patient or user and the perspective of the pharmacist and admin. From the patient perspective, it can shorten drug service time, make it easier for patients to access their medication status, and patients don't need to tell and remember information related to their medication. While from a pharmacist's perspective, pharmacists are more careful when giving drugs. In addition to overcoming pharmacists when they forget to diagnose, so without asking again about the status of his medication. So that is the end of presentation today. Thank you so much for your attention and see you